Okay, so I am sharing the screen. One second. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to tell about what is AP trainings. The full form of AP training is all professional trainings. So we are providing training all over the world, especially in USA, European countries, and all over the world. Okay, so the students who studied in our training centers are working in all over the world in multiple MNCs. Okay, so we are providing three type of training. The first one is called as a full course. The next one is the workshop, and the another one is the free masterclass that you are attending now. Okay, so telling about this masterclass. So first we are going to see about what is the content of this masterclass, what is the agenda of this one. So initially, you people have to introduce yourself in the chat box for 10 minutes, which is followed by the webinar content. So the trainer will provide the webinar content for 45 minutes, and which is followed by the query session. So here you people can ask your queries with the trainer. So the trainer will exclusively clear all of your queries. Then which is followed by the student's guide, then APT offer, and queries and feedback session. So at the end, we will send the feedback link. So once you fill the feedback link, you will get the certificate within a week. Okay. So the people for the last week webinar also still we not send the certificate due to some system issues. So at this weekend we will send all the certificates. So kindly wait. So let's start this master class. So initially you people can introduce yourself in the chat box. So the videos are not record for this masterclass. Kindly stop your video and as well as stop your audio. Okay. Kindly introduce yourself in the chat box. 62 people are available. Very good. So Madhu Prakash, second year computer science. Welcome Madhu Prakash. Karthiki, masters from Mumbai. Very good. Okay. Sangeeta, BSc from Pondicherry. How about others? Kindly each and everyone introduce yourself, like your name, your experience, as well as your expectation in this masterclass. Ankit Pahan, Tribute third year, welcome. Kundan Kumar, welcome Kundan Kumar. Satyadish Mishra, I am a software engineer, welcome. Smita Sri, first year ECU, welcome. Aswat Kumar, welcome. Sonali Gupta, MCA from Bhopal, welcome. Lokesh, second year computer science, welcome. Buddhadev, welcome. So, Abhigyan, welcome. Muthukrishnan B, third year ECE, welcome. So, how about others? Yuva Vignesh, first year BTech Mechanical, welcome, Yuva Vignesh. So, it's very good to see about you people have joined this masterclass even though during this pandemic situation. So, we really appreciate your dedication to learn about this technology. So, today we are going to see about the masterclass in the topic of RPA. So, RPA is nothing but robotic process automation. How many of you know about heard about this RPA? Can you please reply in the chat box? What is RPA? Whatever you know, you people can tell in this chat box. So you people can tell like what is RPA, what is the full form of RPA. I want reply from each and everyone. Very good. Many people are replying. I want reply from everyone. Robotic process automation. Fantastic. Shubham. Sasireka. Nice. Gomati. ABK. Madhu Prakash. Artificial intelligence. Okay. So robotic process automation. Pragati. Meet Begla. Skola Saikran. Kavya. Fantastic. So many people have replied perfectly like RPA is nothing but the robotic process automation. Very good. So who is going to present this robotic process automation masterclass? It's nothing but myself only. So I am going to present about myself first of all. So myself, Ayyappan. So having more than 5 years of experience in the IT industry. So and relevant RPA experience also this same like 5 years of experience. I have certified technical architect in this RPA. So I know RPA tools, blueprism, UiPath, automation anywhere, Pega Openspan, and Power Automate. So in all the tools I have certified. So now I am going to present you this RPA. Okay. So kindly wait for 1 minute. So I am going to. I will explain each and everything in our OneNotes as well as mind map methodology. 1 second, wait. Okay, fine. Yeah. So I am going to share the screen. So I want this masterclass to be in a very interactive manner. So only you people will understand and get more things from me. That is my main motive. So please reply whatever questions I am asking in this masterclass. Okay, that is very very important. It will help you to understand each and every topic. That is very very important. Okay, fine. That is my only expectation. So kindly reply for each and everything. Okay. So I will explain each and everything in a mind map as well as in OneNotes. Okay. So you people will easily understand. Okay. So this is a PPT I have arranged for this masterclass. So RPA webinar. So what are the things we are going to see here are what is RPA, then why we need RPA, then advantages and comparison of RPA, then benefits of RPA, then what is IPA, then RPA tools practical explanation, then future market of RPA and jobs in RPA, certifications in RPA, queries and questions in this RPA. So these are the things we are going to see in this masterclass. Okay. First of all, what is RPA? First, we are going to see about what is RPA. So, like you people told, RPA is nothing but robotic process automation. Really good to see many people know about this. So RPA is nothing but robotic process automation. Okay. So what it will do is repeatable rule-based task. Okay. So I'm going to give a clear explanation on this RPA in the OneNotes. Okay. So in our daily training also, we will clearly explain each and everything in this OneNotes. So our students will easily understand. Okay. RPA. So what is RPA? Robotic process automation. So for each and everything, I'm going to explain. First, what is robot? So anybody, can you please reply in the chat box? What is robot? What is robot? I hope each and everyone know about robot. Kindly reply. Which can mimic human actions. Machines which matches human activities. Very good. Super technology of human. Without manual, do the work automatically. Very good. So very good. So whatever you people told are correct. Robots are machines which mimicking human actions. Okay, fine, very good. Many people have told different types of answers. Almost all are correct. Okay, so then is process. So what is process? The process are nothing but work series of actions. Very good, very good. Series of action. Kiran, very good answer. How about others? Madhu told like work. Very good. How about others? Series of work. Very good. Sequence of step. Very good. Shubham. Shubham is telling the perfect answers. Uh, People don't unmute yourself. Okay, fine. So process is nothing but sequence of steps. Then automation. What is automation? Any answers? Automation. Machine that work like human beings. Okay, fine. Any other answers? Kindly reply. So automation is without any human intervention. Perfect. Without any human intervention. So Shubham told perfect answer for each and everything. Congrats, Shubham. So RPA is nothing but machines which mimicking human actions in a sequence of steps without any human intervention. Okay. So this is a perfect definition for RPA. If you go to any interview or if you or any campus interview, if any people attend and asked about RPA means you explain a clear manner like this, people will more attracted by this answer. Okay, this is very important. Okay. So what RPA will do? So what is RPA? We came to know. So what RPA will do is RPA will do the repeated rule based task. Repeated rule based task. This RPA will do. So what is known as repeated rule based task? Next question will come. So what is known as repeated rule based task? Any answer for this? Repeated rule based task? Answer. For example, if you take our day-to-day example, like if you take a mixie, grinder, or day-to-day our things, whatever we are using, in the previous years, if you take a long back, so these things human only manually did, but everything is replaced now with the help of machines. So this is our day-to-day work. Same like in the IT field, okay. For example, if there are two Excels are available, I am giving a very basic Excel. Two Excel are available. Okay. So named like Excel 1 and Excel 2. Excel 1, Excel 2. Okay. So in the Excel 1, what is available is student roll number. In the Excel 2, what is available is student details. Okay. So, and another Excel also available. Excel 3, okay? It will be very easy for you to understand. So roll number, details. So Excel 3 combination of both, okay? So one person working in an IT industry, his daily work is coming to the office, comparing two Excels, getting the student roll number. If you take any IT company, it will be like a worker roll number, worker details. So, and he will combine both of the things and doing some calculation and updating the details in the Excel 3. Okay, same like if you take another example. So this is one of the example. For example, if you take a medical industry, what they will usually do, if you take a medical industry in India, so here the database, most of the medical companies are not maintaining. But if you take USA or any other country, what they will do is each and every people will have some personal number or medical number or something will be available. For example, so medical number for each and every people will be available. So if they goes to one hospital, they will tell about the details. Already the past, what are the medicine they are following, it will be available. So they will type that and they will get the detail and they will update the details. If you go to any your own hospital in your city also, if you are going for a long time, they will maintain the database for you. So this is what happening. So these are the things people are manually doing in nowadays. Okay. So what RPA is doing is the people who are manually supporting these things, this RPA robots will replace. And again, a new question will come. So why we have to replace these things? So it will get rid of the jobs of the people who are working in the support work. So why we have to do this? A main question will come. So now I am asking another question to you people like why we need RPA. Okay. Suppose you people just imagine like you people are the manager of a company or you are the owner of the company. Okay. There are 100 people are working in your company. 100 people are working in our company and you are giving a salary of like monthly 1 crore to these people. Okay. 1C, you can take like that. So, and you are having another option like, so instead of using 100 people, you can just use 5 robots. Okay. Robots, and it will only cost like 40 lakhs. So, what is the option you people will obviously go? So, you will choose for option A or option B. Please answer. You will go to the option A or option B. Obviously people will go to the option B. Okay, and you will have additional bonuses. What are the advantages of using the RPA? There are many advantages are available. Okay, you people can easily tell about the advantages of RPA. So one other thing is cost cutting that you see here. So instead of using 1 crore, we are going to use just 30 to 40 lakhs only. So other than this, you will have many advantages like one second. It is like yeah, reduction in the error rate. It will work 24 into 7. Okay. So other than this safety purpose, it is more secure. Okay. Yeah. So reduction in the error. So error rate will obviously no error will be available. If we did any error due to the environment and related things, the error will come. Other than that, the robot will not cause any error. Okay, these are the main things why people are going to the RPA. The main thing is cost cutting. Another things are these many advantages. Reduction in the error rate, 24 into 7, it will work. Safety purpose. Okay. So these things only we are going to see very detailed here in this PPT. Once again, I'm going to the PPT. So up to now, if you are having any question, means you people can ask in the chat box. I will give 1 minute. You people can revise, and in the same time, if you have any question, you can ask in the chat box. Okay, hope you people are not having any questions. Fine. So now next I am going to show about the PPT. One second. So whatever I have explained in that one notes, I have put here in this PPT. So repeated rule based. So what robots will do is repeated rule based task. Then for example, if we take our day to day what means a process of making tea. So how we will make the tea? So initially we will heat the milk, then we will put the sugar. So for each and every process, there is certain repeated rule-based task. RPA is a next technology revolution which has excellent future and career growth. Okay, I hope Vanishka you see this one now. Then, so robot process of making tea. So process of making tea, how initially we will heat the milk, then we will put coffee powder or tea powder or sugar then. So for each and everything, we are having certain steps, sequence of steps. Okay, that is called as a process. Then automation is without any human intervention. Okay, so the combination of these three things is called as robotic process automation. Then why RPA, you people know. So initially, human manually process all this work. So I gave two examples, comparing of two Excels and showing the output in the third Excel. And if you go to any hospitals, the maintaining of your data. So these are the two basic examples I gave. Same like if you go to any industry, for each and every people, some database in the background they are maintaining. For example, if you take India, like Aadhaar card. So Aadhaar card, what are the details will be available? If you type your Aadhaar number, all your family details, everything will come. Your address, your date of birth, so everything will come. So how they are maintaining it? They are maintaining in the database. Okay. So same like for each and everything, people are manually doing each and every work. So all this work we can replace with the help of this robotic process automation. Now we can replace this with the help of the robots. Okay. Then what we are going to see is what are the advantages. So elimination of human error, cost saving, greater productivity, improved efficiency. And important thing is in this RPA, no coding is required. The people who are studying in ECE, mechanical, triple E, any other industry, civil, anyone can learn this RPA. If you take myself also, I belongs to triple E background. I don't have any coding background initially. So once I joined, so I easily learned this RPA. So only thing record is logical background. Okay, logical thinking. I mean logical thinking only record. Cons. What are the cons? Disadvantages means. So for example, if you see the cons is available here. Suppose if I change this letter to this place to this one, when we are seeing with our bare eyes, we can easily understand the concepts available here. But the robots will not identify that. It is not creative. It will not take their own decision. I mean this RPA. So RPA is not creative. It will not take their own decision. So so RPA robots will not think. So small design change also it will affect the whole the whole structure, the whole process, everything will be affected. So you have to reconfigure. Okay, this is a basic thing everyone should do. Okay, so if there is any change in the UI means user interface, you have to tell the robot like there's a small change, I have to change the code. Okay, you have to get the permission and you have to do the code change and you have to again run it. Okay, so this is the disadvantage. Then benefits of robotic process automation, like we already saw, far more effective use of staff resources, enhanced customer interaction. What is the meaning of this is, nowadays if you take 100 people, first of all, you people should know about what is the basic structure, how IT industry is working. That is very, very important. So I'm going to explain that in here. First, I will explain, then you people can ask your questions. Okay. IT industry. So in IT industry, what are the roles that people will be working? Can you please give the role names in the chat box? If you take IT industry, what kind of roles people will work? Please reply whatever you know in the chat box. What kind of role people will be working in IT industry? Guys, kindly reply in the chat box. Technical, Madhu. How about others? Testing, Arvind. Very good, Arvind. Very good answer. Development, super. Sarcheji Mishra. Backend developer. Okay. How about others? DBA. I am not asking that much deep. I'm generally asking. Technician, networking, software. Very good. Okay. So now I'm going to tell the answer. So if you take the IT industry, there are majorly four roles only will be available. The first one is called as an development. Okay. The next one is called as an testing. So once you develop, the people will test the product. Okay. For example, if you take anything, if you are making a food in your home, also some people who knows well will test that whether the food is good or not. So like that, you can easily understand. So one people will develop, one people will test, and one people will serve in our home. Right, that people is here called like support. Okay, so development, testing, support. One people in your home will buy products like here they are called as management. People who is cooking is called development. One who tasting is the tester. Support, the people who is serving support, and people who is buying products management. So in IT industry also the same four roles is available. Okay, so the people like HR and all the CEO, everyone will come under this management. Okay, so once you join the IT industry, they will put you people in any of the three things. Okay, so either development or testing or support. Okay, so if you take the developer, there are two kinds of developer are available. The first one is called as an application developer. Okay, so application developer, what he will do is he will develop an application. What is called as an application? If you take an Android, WhatsApp, Facebook, everything is called as an application. Okay, that is Android based application. Same like if you take this one, the Google Chrome, this is also called as an application. What kind of application? It's a web based application. Okay, so the people who is developing only put this menu here in the top, this tab, this text box, this link, each and everything they only develop. Okay, same like there are different types of applications available. That one is called as a web application. Same like Windows application also available. This is called as a Windows application, one of the kind of Windows application. And Windows application in the sense it will be available inside your computer. Same like another kind, mainframe, Java, many more applications are available. Okay, the people who are developing that is called as a developer. There's a basic thing you people should know. Okay, so before getting a job in the IT industry, if you know about these topics very clear, you can easily choose your role. I like this one, I can become a developer like that. Okay, so once you develop, the product should not go to the public directly. It is very important. For example, one people is making one food, you should not give that food directly to the customer. When people will taste like everything is correct or not. The people who are checking is called as a tester. Same like when an application is developed. For example, when WhatsApp is released, if the WhatsApp release is not working well, means you people will not like the product. So the testing is very important. How whatever effort the people are putting in the development, same like the testing people also put the same effort to test. Okay, so once the product is developed and tested well, it will go to the real time. So the customer will use that application. But for example, when you are using WhatsApp, if there is any error in the WhatsApp or something, WhatsApp is uninstalled or banned by WhatsApp banned you, means what you people will do? If there is any error in your mobile phone, means whom you will reach? Can you please reply in the chat box? If there is any software issue in your mobile or laptop, means to whom you will approach first. For example, if you are buying a laptop in Dell or mobile in OnePlus, if there is any error, means to service center. Okay, the service center people is a very good answer. Call as in support. Okay, so if you take the IT industry, there are two types support are available, and the support people will work more than 50 percentage of the whole IT industry. That is very important. If there are 100 people are working in the IT industry, there are 50 people will work from the support. I told two types of support, right? Manual support, automation support. Nowadays, automation support also came. With the help of the Selenium like products, automation tools are available. Okay. So what this RPA is, why I am explaining these many things is, what this RPA is doing is, so RPA is a new emerged technology and it is replacing the support people. I told already, right? There are 100 people are came and merging two system is called two Excel is called as a support one. So we are replacing the support means obviously what will be our role? Can you please reply in the chat box? If you are replacing the support means what will be our role? Please reply in the chat box. If you are replacing the support means what will be our role? Maintenance, manual, any other? Most of the people will tell like we are also will come under the support. That is wrong. So I already told, right, development is one is the application developer, another one is called as an RPA developer. Okay, so RPA developer. So you people without knowing the coding also you can become a developer in the IT industry. If you take IT industry, the growth of a developer will be very high when compared to the testing and support. People should know. So when you initially join, you people will get a more of the role in testing and support. But when you get a developer role, means your growth will be very high. Like your salary package will increase after 2 to 3 years. You people may switch to another company, you will get a very high package. The people who are in testing and support also will get a very good, but when compared to development, the ratio is very high in the development only. Okay, so you people also will become a developer and you will be called like an RPA developer. Okay, so you also will come under this one. That is very, very important. Okay, so this is what I want to tell to you people. This is how the whole IT industry roles are working. Okay, fine. So next, so they have launched the polls. Uma, can you launch the second poll, not the first one? Yeah, so guys, we have launched the poll. So please answer the polls. Don't answer in the chat box, answer the polls. Shubham, don't answer in the chat box, answer in the polls. So we will give 20 seconds. Kindly everyone answer. Oh, sorry guys, I was in mute. The answer for the first polls is so what is robotic process automation? Full form of RPA is robotic process automation. The next one is RPA will take a decision by own or not. It will not take a decision by own. So answer will be false. Okay. Okay. Now we can we move to the next point? So do you have any other questions you can ask in the chat box? Do you have any questions? Okay, I think you people are not having any questions. We can proceed. Okay, so what are the things we can see here is, so if more people are working in the development means obviously I not saw about the third poll. Wait. So once again we will raise and I will tell the answer. Okay. So here you see like 10 benefits of RPA, far more effective use of staff resources, enhanced customer interaction. So first user thing is if more people are working in the development means new introduction and people will creatively think and many things, many innovation and invention will be available in the market. So that is the meaning for first thing. So enhance customer interactions. So customer, for example, when a customer is spending a less amount means he will be obviously more benefited. So that is the meaning of the second point. Third point, refresh for legacy IT infrastructure in the sense. So till now, for the past 50 years, the IT industry is running. The whole IT industry is totally be changed now due to this RPA and also due to this pandemic situation. The growth of RPA is very high level and compared to the previous thing. RPA due to this pandemic situation, everyone are believing the robots. Humans only will be affected by these viruses. Robots will not be affected. So their work will not be disturbed by these any pandemic. Okay, you can think in a common sense. You people can easily get the answer. So robots will not be affected by any situation. It will work 24 into 7. But humans will not work like that. So people nowadays are believing more in robots when compared to the humans. Okay, so reduced cost, a larger staff. I mean, the staffs are working in a very efficient manner. That's what they are explaining here. Improved analytics for workflow management. This is very, very important. So till now, the people in the higher management, like CEO, CFO, like that, the people are in the management team, so they will not have enough knowledge on the IT workings. So these people want the graphical structure. For example, if you take the COVID situation, so each and every place these many people are affected, they gave a graphical structure in a graph manner. Okay, due to that, we can easily understand the structure. Same like the people in the top level management easily understand this RPA outputs, okay, because they are in the graphical manner, okay. So advanced governance. So due to this, they can easily ask the question. They will easily ask the question to the people, what are the things happened, okay. Then improve scalability, then better security. So what is the improved scalability is? It is very, very important. Anybody can answer that. Anybody can answer that. What is improved scalability? So improved scalability, so I hope no one answered that. So improved scalability is nothing but, for example, so when you are traveling from India to USA, during a non-peak hours, non-festival hours, only, for example, if there are 100 seats are available in the flight, only 50 seats will be occupied. Okay, remaining seats may or may not be occupied. But when you are traveling in the peak hours or the festival season, like December, Christmas time, 100 seats will be occupied. So this is what obviously happened. So the flight should handle both 50 as well as the 100 seats, 50 passengers as well as the 100 passengers. So the scalability is increasing. Okay, so this is what called as a scalability. Same like when a robot is running, if there are 50 cases are coming, the robot also should maintain this. There are 100 cases are also coming, the robot should also work the same cases in the same fast manner. Okay, that is very, very important. Then better security. Okay, so the security manner. So all the things are in a very secure manner. If you take the humans, humans will always do wrong things in one day. Okay, there is no security for that, but the robots will not be like that. It will not cause any security problem. Okay, that is very important. Then clear advantage over competitors. So these are the practical things we can see. Benefits of RPA, the same things only. Cost reduction, fast result, flexibility and scalability, accuracy, improved customer experience, new revolution in the IT industry, and data security and privacy. Then IPA. So till now, do you have any other question? Means you can ask in the chat box. So Komal, yeah. So finally, we will send the feedback link. After that, you will get the certificate. So once you fill the feedback link, you will get the certificate. So kindly, if you have any question, means you can ask in the chat box. Yeah, like we already told Madhu Prakash. So it is not creative. You will not think on your own. If you code coding perspective, I'm telling, if you code anything in a wrong way, the robot will not stop. It will fall under the infinite loop. Okay, for example, if you infinite loop means it will continuously running in the wrong direction, the whole server will come into down. So you should do all the development and testing in a perfect manner, because all this RPA you are going to replace the things which are already running in the production. What is production? Production means already running in the current live scenario. Okay, so for example, when a customer data is for example, your internet bill is you are buying like 5,000 rupees for your company. Suppose you deleted that amount, means the customer will not come to know about how much I have to pay. So this is the loss for the company. Okay, so your coding and testing should be very clear. Yes, exactly. RPA we are going to implementing in a existing system which are running manually now. Okay, you are not going to do a new thing. Okay, for example, if customer data, if your data is maintaining in one hospital, means we are going to replace the thing which is already did in manual. So if you suppose the bot have deleted the customer detail, means no one will get the details. So we have to be very careful on that. Okay. Okay, very good questions. So next we can move to the next thing, very important thing, what is called as an IPA. Okay, we can divide this RPA robots into robotic process automation, and now a question will come, under which category this RPA will come under. Okay, so under which category this RPA will come under? So this is the next question. So now I am going to explain that here in this one. Okay, I am putting here. So IPA is nothing but intelligent process automation. So this is called as an IPA. Okay, inside this IPA, what are the things will come are, the first thing is artificial intelligence, then oh, sorry, I deleted that. Machine learning, then deep learning, then NLP, natural language processing, then chatbot, then RPA. So we are just saw about RPA only. Okay, so RPA is one of the part of IPA. So other than this, IPA is having many other branches. What are those branches? Are artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Anybody? Can you please reply in the chat box? What is artificial intelligence? Yeah, I got no answers. So artificial intelligence are, so I told right, RPA robots will not think on their own. Okay. No, machine with human brain. Very good answer. Okay. Create apps website without post. So, so machine with think like humans. Very good answer. So these are the machines which will think on their own. For example, if you take your day-to-day activities, if you take Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, Cortana, same like all the things, how they are working is this artificial intelligence. So how they are taking the decision is like if you take the Google Maps, if you are traveling from Chennai to Kanyakumari, there are many ways will be available. If you go to some other way, like by sea ways you can go, or you can take Trichy way, you can go, some other way you can go. Same like if you're traveling from Chennai to Delhi, many ways are available. You can go to the via Mumbai, Goa, that like central place, or you can take the east. Okay, and many other ways are available. Each and every people will take different ways. Okay, so you people will initially compare, this is the best way. You will compare three ways and you can take a decision like this is the best way. Same like the robots will think in a 100 manner with the help of many algorithms. It will think in a 100 manner and it will take a perfect decision. Okay, this is how the artificial intelligence will work. Okay, then machine learning. So machine learning is nothing but machines will learn. What is learning? Usually how we people will learn. We will learn from our elder people, they will teach us, or from our teachers we will learn, or from the internet we will learn, or else from our own experience we will do something and we will learn. So same like with the help of many other things we are learning day to day. Same like how the machines are learning is the machines are learning with the help of hundreds and hundreds of algorithm. If you take the robo movie, he will he will upload the detail, the energy of 100 people. So how this is how the machines are learning. So for example, if you are searching for one mobile phone in the internet in the Google, so next day when you are going to your FB, the automatically the ad will come in the right side. When you are going to YouTube, automatically that video suggestion will come. How it is coming? So the Google is getting your details. Okay, if you go to your Google and Google ad settings in your page, automatically whatever things about you will be automatically will be sold to the Google ad settings. Many people may know about this. Many people are telling like nowadays. So here you see the Google will sell all these details. I have turned off, so it will not sell anything. If you turned on all your name, your age, and what are the things you like, so Google will get all the details. They will sell to different companies all over the world. So everything is working under the this machine learning only. Okay, if you take YouTube, the whole YouTube is working with the help of machine learning. People who don't know about how to type in the mobile phone, so many of your parents, your father and mother who don't know how to type in English, they will easily see YouTube videos. Auto suggestion is coming. So this is how the technology is growing. The next thing is deep learning. So next level of machine learning is called as deep learning. So when you compare to machine learning and deep learning, so the data in the deep learning will be more secure. It is very tough to crack the things in deep learning. Okay, because the number of nodes available in machine learning when compared to machine learning, the deep learning it will be more. The natural language processing. So natural language processing will convert your own language, not only your mother tongue, Hindi or English or Telugu or Tamil or anything. So it will also uh, get your facial expression, whether you are in anger or you are in happy or you are in sad, everything it will recognize. That is very important thing. uh, Sentiment, it will work under the sentiments. Then chatbots, if you take chatbots, I will give a very basic example. If you take in front of 10 years, when you call the customer care, they will only take your mobile ringing from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So nowadays, if you take 24 into 7, it is working. How it is working? With the help of this artificial intelligence, machine learning, so everything changed. So the chatbots are 24 into 7, it is working. Okay. If you take in front of 10 years, most of the people are working in the call center. Nowadays, the jobs in the call center is very, very minimum. Due to this chatbots, everything is replaced. Okay. So same like, yeah, Manish, you have told right. Machine learning, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere it's working. Very good answer. So this is how these whole things are working. So whatever I explained is in the next 15 to 20 years, these things only going to working in the whole IT industry. So like I told RPA, some people will take tell like RPA is a tool, it will not withstand more than 5 years. So what I am telling is RPA is a technology, it is not a tool. Inside RPA, many tools are available. More than 50 number of tools came. For example, in RPA, it will not think on their own. On that scenario, what it will do is it will ask the help of this artificial intelligence. Okay, so already RPA and AI have interconnected. Same like RPA have already interconnected to many other things like chatbot, natural language processing, deep learning, machine learning. Everywhere the RPA have already connected. Okay, so now you join this RPA because you don't have coding background, or already you know the coding also, it will be additional advantage. You can also use the coding inside the RPA. Okay, so then future after 2 years you are like to know about the artificial intelligence, or you, if you want to change your domain means you can easily change. So myself also initially worked in the RPA. Now I one of the RPA tool called as a Power Automate. There they are using the artificial intelligence, AI builder, this kind of app development, everything. So now I am slowly learning that for the past 6 months. Okay, so you can easily change your whole domain. It is very hard in the IT industry, but with the help of this RPA, you can easily change. Okay, so other than this, in the IPA, if you take cloud, so another important market in the IT industry is if you take is cloud. So if you take the cloud, the three major cloud are Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Okay. So Amazon owns AWS, Azure, which is owned by Microsoft, then Google Cloud Platform. Okay. So these things also already connected to this RPA. So you see how many things, how many advantages you are having. I am also learning about this cloud also. Okay. So other than this, if you take other than these two topics, in future, what will come is what we can tell is now data analytics also available. So this data analytics, if you take the major tools are Microsoft Power BA. Okay, and some more tools are available. So this data analytics also already connected to this RPA. So you have how many advantages you people are having. If you choose the RPA, you can either switch to any one other thing in the future. So data analytics, what is the work of data analytics is It will take the output and it will show in the graphical structure. Okay, so another tool is called as a Tableau. Okay, many other data analytics tools are available. Okay, so these are the many things. And IoT. So another thing I like to tell is IoT. So I hope you people are heard about this IoT. So IoT is nothing but Internet of Things. Internet of Things is nothing but like how the internet is available in your mobile. In future, this internet will be connected to all the things in your home, like TV, fridge, and everything will be connected to the internet. Okay, this Internet of Things also in future will be connected to this RPA. Okay, so these many advantages you people are having. Okay, fine. So do you have any question on this thing? Up to the, I hope you people get a clear idea about what are the things available in the IT industry and how RPA is connected to these things. Okay, so now we are launching the pool. So the question is, using RPA, we can develop an application from scratch. True or false? So we'll give 30 seconds. Kindly answer everyone. 56 people are available. Kindly answer. Okay. So the answer we have published now. So using this RPA, many people, 75% of people have answered like true, but the correct answer is false. We can't develop an application from scratch. Okay, so please be correct. Fine. So now we can move to the next topic. So the time is going. We already lagged again. So whatever I have told there, I have put here in this PPT. So intelligence is nothing but a combination of machine learning and deep learning. Then RPA tools. This is very important. So, like I told, RPA is a technology. Like programming is a technology. Inside the programming, many programming languages are available. Like previously in the olden days, C, C++, then C sharp, then VB. Now the Java. Now it is like Python. Same like many programming languages are coming day to day. So, but the concept of programming is same, but the languages are changing. Same like RPA is a technology. RPA will not change, but the tools available in the RPA will change day to day. It depends on how it is working. So there are many RPA tools. More than 50 RPA tools have emerged. Each and every company is launching one RPA tool nowadays. Okay. So in which in our training center and as well as all over the world, there are some major RPA tools are available. Okay, in all the IT industry, all the IT company, they are using their RPA tools. Now I am going to tell about those RPA tools. The first one is called as blueprism. So this is the first company who launched the world like RPA. They have emerged in 2001 itself. Okay, then OpenSpan, it is launched in 2004. Then UiPath automation anywhere IRP. Okay, so I am certified in Blue Prism. Blue Prism, I am completed 4 certifications. I am a technical architect in Blue Prism. Then OpenSpan also I am certified. CRSA certified I am. Then UiPath also I have certified. Then Automation Anywhere also I certified. Other than that, Microsoft has launched on RPA tool now, Over Automate. I am learning the Power Automate also. Okay. So why I am telling is, if you know one tool in RPA, automatically you can learn the another tool because all the tool is having the same basics. Okay, in our training center, students who don't know about the basic of this IT field itself, they learned one tool initially. Slowly, they learn next another tool, they get the job. Okay, most of the people who got job are housewife, who is having a break of more than 10 years. They learned this RPA technology and they got the job. So just think, you people are working or studying in the college, you people can easily learn this tool and you can get the job. This is the correct time the RPA is booming in the market because in the pandemic situation, every people nowadays believing in this RPA tools. Okay, so you people took a great decision. Please choose this any one of the RPA tool and you can learn. Okay, so next I am going to explain about which is the best tool. Each and every tool is having a different advantages. For example, if you take automation anywhere, it is a tool who is implementing new things in a very fast manner, like artificial intelligence. Everything in this tool, automation anywhere, will implement in a very fast manner. Then UiPath stands market first for the past 2 to 3 years. Okay. Then Blue Prism is having a very high scalability. Okay, scalability means, like I already explained, if there are 50 people available, 1,000 people are available also, the tool will work perfectly. Okay, so future of RPA. So this is very important thing. Like, so I'm going to give a data of a newspaper called as a Forester. The Forester newspaper in 2017 told like by 2021, I mean this year, the RPA market will be out, will be like 10.8 billion. It will come about what they told is 2.9 billion by 2021 end. Okay, so they told in 2017, when they told it is only about 125 million. Now it is around 10.8 billion in the 2019 itself. Now it is 1.5 billion. Okay, how many times it reached? 15 times it have evolved. So the whole RPA market have emerged in 15 times. Same like the same company is telling like by 2023 it will be like 12 billion. So now currently it is 1.5 billion. After 2 years, it will be like, obviously it will be more than 10 times it will emerge, but I will tell like it will grow beyond that because due to this pandemic situation, it is growing in a very large manner. Okay, so by for example, if you take US, if 10% of people are getting losing their jobs, only 3% of equivalent jobs will be created. The remaining jobs will be replaced by the robots. By this year end, 4 million robots will replace this manual support work in the companies. 4 million means 40 lakhs. So same like what are the companies are using this RPA? All the companies like Microsoft, Google, IBM, Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, TCC, all the companies are using this RPA tools. Okay. So I am the person who is teaching Blue Prism in this training center. So in our AP trainings, for each and every tool, we are having a different person who is certified professional on this thing. Okay, in Blue Prism in our training center, the people who are teaching are technically architect certified. It is very hard to get a people, very few number of people only in the world itself clearing the certification. If you take 10,000 people, one or two people only will clear this certification. It's very hard to clear this technical architect. Okay, so if you take Blue Prism, so it is launched in the year of 2001. Currently, it is having a version of 10 point more than 10.10. We are teaching the latest version. Okay, so Blue Prism is a market leading RPA tool. It will work well in mainframe, Windows, Java, web, all the types of application. It will work, and it will work only in the Windows OS. Okay, almost all of the RPA tools will work only in the Windows OS. Okay, that is very important. So how the tool will be available? I told like you no need for any coding and like I think how it will be. It will be like a flow chart. So if you are in a college times, initially in the first or second year, the you people in the you will learn like pseudo code, flow chart, some basic things of programming. Those things only you are going to do. So you can learn the whole tool in 3 to 4 weeks. In 1 month, you can learn this tool. This is the tool. This is how it will be like. I will show practically now. Then I will tell about what are the certifications available in this RPA. So, for example, once you clear this tool and know about this tool, you should clear the certification. We people are helping you to clear the certification. Okay, that is very important thing. We will assure you that you people will clear the certificate in this tool. Okay, so that is our main thing we are telling. So if you are having any question, means you can ask, or else I will show the practical demo of this. If you have any question, means you people can ask in the chat box. This is the question and answer time. Please make use of it. So if you have any question, you can ask in the chat box, or else you can raise your hand. We will unmute you people, and you can ask whatever questions related to this RP. You can ask. You can raise your hand. We will unmute you, and you can ask. So once she calls, we will send the feedback link at the end. Please fill the feedback form. You will get the certificate. So someone asked like many people unemployment will occur due to RPA. It is not like that. So in front of 10 years, if you uh, take your city, the people who are well rich will maintain one person to note down all the calculation or mathematics. But nowadays everyone are doing these things in the Excel. Same like when you in front of 10 years, you people will use CD player, ECD player. Nowadays none of those things are available. So everyone are using the internet. Pen drive also after 10 years will not be available. So this is a technological development. You people have to adapt on that. Okay, you should not rely on the old things. You should uh, technically improve. That is what I will tell. Yeah, one tool perfectly, if you know, it is very sufficient. Obviously after that you can learn other tools by your own. So what language are used in RPA? So the RPA, they are used a VB language to develop these things, but you people no need to know about that language. Any other question? Thank you, Kalanidhi. Well planned and well arranged program. Thank you very much. Okay, I still it not over. So if you have any question, you can ask. I will show the practical demo. Few experience with RPA. Few experience with RPA means the work which I manually did. For example, one case which did for 30 minutes, we did the same case within 1 minute. So how many minutes are saved? 29 minutes. 20 people working in one company. With the help of these robots, we reduced that to 2 to 3 people. So we have saved so much money for that company. Okay. No, Blue Prism does not need any coding, sir. Blue Prism project experience, yeah, same. Like I have worked in many domains like medical domain, retail, telecom, banking and finance. airlines. So many things. For example, when you are booking on ticket, previously one people in the background have to maintain those things. Suppose if you are canceling the ticket or the flight is cancelled, they have to arrange the another seat. But what we did in the background is automatically the robot will arrange the another seat which is very near to what you booked. Okay, same like each and everything we have replaced with this RPA tools. Yeah. So now, very good question. Is Blue Prism is open source? So all the RPA tools, almost all the RPA tools have a free version. That is the community version that will come only for 1 month. If you join in our training center, we will provide a version of Blue Prism or any other RPA tool lifelong you can use. If you go outside and if you buy, it will come more than lakhs. So that is the main advantage people will get it. Okay, so now I am sharing my screen and I am practically showing one demo on this RPA. So if people will be more benefited. This is how the RPA tools will be available. So a very good income. So in RPA tool, so if you become a RPA developer, your salary, I will tell a market experience like if you are having a experience of 3 to 4 years, obviously as a fresher, if you join, surely you can earn more than 5 lakhs if you are certified in this RPA tool. If you are 3 to 4 years experience, minimum I will tell you can earn more than 8 lakhs in this yearly package in this RPA. Okay, fine. One second, I am showing this RPA tool. This is the RPA tool. It will be very easy. Okay, you have to logically only you have to think in a very good manner. Here you see. So this is how a decision will work. Okay, the decision will be available here. You have to drag and drop, go inside whether this pi is greater than 7 or not. You have to just give a decision and you have to give like true or false. If you do want to do a calculation, addition or subtraction means 5 plus 6, and you can have to store it one place. Okay. Once you developed everything, you can run. You can reset and run. So automatically it will run and it will go to the path. If there is any error, it will automatically tell. So the only thing is you got to learn in a step-by-step manner so you can easily remember. So the person who is already certified means they will clearly tell you whatever things what you need to get a job in this market. Okay. So this is how the RPA tool will work. So next I am going to provide a big, one second. I'm going to show main demo on this, one second. Like now I am going to automate an application. So the input for, I will easily tell first manually, I will explain what is the thing I am going to do. So input for this file is I am going to present here in this one. So this is the input for the tool. So I am going to automate a currency converter. There are 5 inputs are available from currency to currency. It is converting from American US dollar to INR, Indian rupee. One amount to whatever equivalent amount it will store. Okay, in the output. So same like INR currency, how many amount? What is the output? This output will be available. Success is either it is success or failure. Same like BTC, Bitcoin. From each and every currency, it will convert. Okay. So if you are manually doing how many minutes it will take for each thing, at least I have to come here to this Excel and then I have to launch one web application. Okay. I have to launch this web application and I have to go here and I have to put the input currency here amount 10. Then here I have to choose the what is the two currency, and then output will come. I have to read at least 2 minutes. It will take. So 5 cases it will take 10 minutes. Okay. So now with the help of this RPA robots, we are going to monitor this. Okay, very simple. So I am going the input path here. And finally we will get the output in the output place. There also we have to change the output path. Okay, so I have did both the things, and I am going to run this one. So, and we have to save it. That is very important. So once we did, we can run from this place. This is called as a control room, like how the control room are for the rocket launching. Same like for each and every tool, it will have the control room here. Okay, so the ID number is 1409. We can note that and we can start it. Add to queue. So here we got to give the start. So automatically the robot will launch the tool, Excel and everything it will do. So initially it is launching that web application, I mean the currency converter. So I am not doing anything, the robot only doing this one. So it launched that, then it will slowly launch the Excel and it will read the details and it will write it here and it will get the output and it will store it in that output Excel. So then our robot is reading the Excel and taking the Excel in the background. Yeah, it launched the Excel and it is reading the Excel. Once it read, it will automatically close the Excel and it will process that by writing it here. You people can see it will automatically write. You see, it automatically write the Bitcoin and it is searching and output. It's like 4 lakh, 42 lakh now on Bitcoin. For the next things, remaining things, it will automatically write. So you see next amount 15, uh, GBP, British pound, output in Indian currency, INR. So we can make it more faster than this, but for you people to see, I make it very slow, little bit. So you people can easily see that how the bot is running. So BTC again it is running. From my previous run, I left the BTC. So initially it started with BTC. So next the remaining thing, input 10 Canadian dollar, 603, 10 Canadian dollar, 603. So everything will work from the work queue. In the work queue, from your previous run, if you left any one of the case, the robot will start from that case. So only some additional things the robot is processing here. So from my previous run, I left some of the case and I stopped the bot and I came out. So those cases are available in the work queue, and it is processing each and everything 2 times due to that. So USD, it is running. Okay, it have completed everything. So and it will run the write the output in the form where we placed it. So here you see 795, 736. Now only it created the output. You can see the output here. So the whole 10 cases, it got 9 cases we have processed. Along with the 4 cases that I already not processed. All the things are success. And how many minutes it took is very, very less amount. 2 to 3 minutes only it took. When you manually did, it will take more than 10 to 15 minutes. So how many minutes we saved? 10 to 15 minutes we have saved it. So this is how the RPA robot will work in the real time. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is from my end. So the masterclass have completed. So now Uma will continue. Uma, you can take the content.
Hi guys, startable.
Uma, your voice is echoing.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay, fine. You can continue.
Yeah, this is the session is very interactive and very interesting. Right? Okay, so we move in next session. APT 2007. We are following five types of process. First one is simple learning methodology. Then students recall. Third one is creative and explanation. And fourth one is method materials. And fifth one is additional resources. Simple teaching methodology. In every classes we have 75 minutes. They are split into 6 sections. First one session one is 10 minutes for yesterday classification and update. And second session is it takes 20 minutes and today class topics cover. Then session 3 it takes 15 minutes. This is the practical session. The students practice time with in front of the trainer. And the session 4 is again 15 minutes. Today topic is covered. And session 5 is 10 minutes. Students practice time. And session 6 is 5 minutes for students recall today class with the trainer. So totally that's this 35 minutes. Then next one is the learning from it. If we get a knowledge of 50%, discuss our learning. If we teach others, we can get 90% of knowledge. So that's why we are giving the sixth session that will get the maximum knowledge. Teach to others and concepts don't forget. That's why we are added in session 6. Creative explanation. This contains 4 types. First one is e-learning, second one is coaching, collab learning, and last one is virtual classroom. E-learning is using of online tools, videos, text. Some examples of in something information you are searching Google, but lot of information comes where we search and that links could be provided in e-learning and e-coaching. E-coaching through the training will provided into Zoom and Skype. Collab branding is forum related links we are discussed. Virtual classroom is online courses. This all 4 comes in our course. Then one note is nothing but student trainer classes in trainer whatever classes taken, their notes will be provided in the notes. The catches also provided to you. And you can access.
Uma, your voice is echoing.
Yeah, now okay.
Yeah, no.
Then mine, it is nothing but it tell to you how your mind is working. So this is mentioned in graphical. And other one is more information. Class notes with the pictorial representation, diagram with flow, and we are providing the single notebook. That is the one note. Fingertip materials. All materials will be available in the common cloud, right? We are giving the video recordings, class notes, documents, and software also provided. Software means if any license software we need this provided license. The additional ones. The classes will be taken in your report type. That is the first thing. Then we will guide you to how to prepare the resume. We will help you and free interview session. Mark interviews will be conducted. Lifelong community support. We will do the LinkedIn support also. Job links provided. Professional certifications who are all interested to do certifications, we will guide you. This is the AAP times. And this is the feedback of one of the US student feedback. This is a teacher. He completed RPA course in our training center and will get a job in IT. And feedback. This is another student. He's a working professional. He completed SQL course in our training center. So we give us a bit. And one of the non-IT students, One of the non-IT student, blueprism course, they will learn it and placed in IT. They are experienced with this. And one of the SAP student also, they are there. Thank you guys. Now we are going to next session, APT offers. Our training center having two modules, two different types. One is flash course and another one is full course. Full course means classes, both classes taken in Skype and Zoom, and the training hours is different. Full courses takes 30 to 40 hours, that is 2,400 minutes. Maximum 30 classes, 75 minutes for every day. And the class course is same. The course will be taken in Zoom or Skype, and the module contains only 10 hours, 600 minutes. The 2-day work internship program also. Can you guess to anyone the course in marketplace? Please share in chat box. Okay, any other? The full course price is 25K to 30K. The class course is 8K to 10K. But this much cost in marketplace, but our training center is give you a full course is just 20K, and class course is 6K. And one more offer is given to you. Who are all attending the webinar class is crazy offer. 50% offer on full course, and class course is 80% offer. That is full course is 15K only. Class course is 1,500. This is for 1 week. And one more offer is given to you. That is your 15 minutes offer. 60% discount of full course of offer. 12K only you will pay. And class course is 99 only. 90% off. 15 minutes. For those who are all not who are all attend this webinar, you only take this offer. Yeah, next one. Special bonuses. Free interview session we are provided, and resume preparation to help. Professional certifications to be a guide. Lifelong community support. There are special offers, special bonus to you. There are special advantages. Clear queries at any time with trainer. Bar doubts, he will ask to trainer, he will clear all your queries. Training at your preferred time. Then recorded videos also provided. And one notes also provided to access. And view the job links and the LinkedIn recommendations also. salary prediction. If you are 4 years experience, but you are not did certifications means you get a normal salary. But you did certifications means you get a training to get 80 percentage. You will get salary. But you did certifications means you get 8 per you get. If you have eight years experience, you get 60% of salary without your certifications, without any trainings. But you did certifications in 16 lakhs. Salary protection. One small step can change. If you have any doubts, please. Yeah, we are providing. Thank you, guys. We are providing the feedback links. Please complete. Please give the correct mail address. You will get a certificate. If you are interested to join this course, please have a payment link for collaborating. Please note it. 15 minutes offer and there is not a subject. Once you completed your feedback form, please let me know.